Today we will discuss on Texas Instrument stock. Dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before and big upside rally get trigger. Dear friends, if we'll make a closer look over here, this was on top where the stock had given a massive downside correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock was engaged with price wise correction, and there was a back to back lower lows. First lower lows trigger over here, the second lower lows witness over here, and the third lower lows over here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, first time its lower low sequence shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where we got a two major positive signal. This was an area where the game started to change. Here we have identified two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upside, due to which the stiff price wise fall got an immediate rejection. And the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And finally, my dear friends, we will check the diversion. If you place an RSI indicators, diversion indicators, you'll be surprised to know there is a positive diversion over here. The price action lower lows tilting on the downside, and the RSI is tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we got an breakout. And finally, and the most important part is the most important signal, that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to see there is a falling wedge pattern breakout. We also call it as a terminal triangle impulse. If you'll see over here, there is a terminal triangle impulse breakout, or you can call it as a falling wedge pattern breakout. And very soon you will witness the first target, $190. This will be the first target, and the second target, it will come to fill the gaps, that will be around 202, that means $202. And in between there are certain resistance the stock may face and rejections at this resistance level, and it may come down to retest the neckline, or it gives the deep retracement, and then it will start the upside move. So you have to keep your mindset ready to face the volatility. And dear friends, this area of neckline will act as a strong support, because so far this was in resistance, but now it has turned into an important support. Resistance has now changed into an important support because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel trigger on the upper side. Lower lows shifted to higher highs. There was a positive diversion between the price action and the RSI, and there is a positive chart structure, that's falling wedge or terminal triangle patterns. So with due respect to all the major positive breakouts, this area of neckline so far was in resistance, but now it has turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. And my dear friends, if you want if you want a high probability trade where you will able to capture a big upside explosive move before it's get action, and your position will be on the stock where after our after giving our analysis, there will be a big blast. So if you want to trade such kind of stock, you can join a WhatsApp Platinum membership, and our WhatsApp number is +91 786 29 78644. Thanks, bye bye.